Fluvial Vallarta is a community renowned for its excellent infrastructure, tranquil parks, and prime location. Discover this incredible hidden gem here in Fluvial, Puerto Vallarta, one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in the city. It offers a two-car garage with an electric door opener. There is a video camera security system that can work from the phone. Every corner of this house has been perfectly designed by the renowned designer Todd Barnes, achieving a balance between sophistication and comfort. He did not disappoint. The pool in this house not only heats but also cools with an inverter heat pump that guarantees the ideal temperature in any season of the year. From custom carpentry to solid Parota wood furniture, every detail has been thought out to create a cozy home with a touch of Mexican elegance. The open concept kitchen features new LG appliances, including an oven with air fryer function, perfect for preparing healthier meals with ease. Kitchen counters are granite, the floors are ceramic. The house provides 20 solar panels that reduces the CFE cost to approximately $25 per year and minimizing its environmental impact without compromising comfort. The spacious home, known as Río Nilo 120, has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, distributed in 3 levels, offering just over 2,900 square foot and fully furnished. So all you have to do is arrive and enjoy. On the upper level, you'll find a spectacular terrace equipped with a full kitchen, a dining room, barbecue lounge area, and a lovely view of the park and mountains. The perfect place where you can create some great memories with friends and family. Its trails along the PTL River offer ideal spaces for walking and biking. Just a few minutes away, you'll discover the vibrant gastronomic area of Versailles, the culinary epicenter of Puerto Vallarta, where signature restaurants and international cuisine create a unique experience. You'll also be close to La Isla Shopping Village, a modern outdoor shopping center with exclusive stores, restaurants, and entertainment. The hotel zone offers more options for top-tier restaurants, bars, and spas, while the beach is just a 15-minute walk or a short drive away, allowing you to enjoy the sea whenever you like. As well, in this area, you'll find the British American School, daycares, Costco, supermarkets, and medical offices, ensuring convenience and easy access to everything you need in your daily life. Just a few minutes away, we find the renowned restaurant Compomar Puerto Vallarta, with its exquisite seafood cuisine and cozy atmosphere. It is the perfect place to enjoy an unforgettable dinner. La Vaca Argentina in Puerto Vallarta is a restaurant that offers an authentic Argentine gastronomic experience, located on Francisco Medina Asensio. This place is known for its certified Angus beef cuts. Enjoy a variety of dishes from juicy cuts of meat to vegetarian and gluten-free options. It is an incredible place due to its cozy atmosphere and extensive wine list, with options from 5 continents. La Dolce Vita in Puerto Vallarta is a restaurant that offers authentic Italian culinary experience. Known for its cozy atmosphere and varied wine list, the restaurant presents a wide selection of traditional Italian dishes, from fresh salads to irresistible pastas, juicy cuts of meat, and delicious chicken and fish options. With attentive service and an atmosphere that evokes the essence of Italy, this restaurant is a must-visit for food lovers in Puerto Vallarta. These are some of the top-rated restaurants on TripAdvisor in Puerto Vallarta. Imagine being able to reach these restaurants from your new home in less than 5 minutes and to be able to enjoy their culinary specialties. Living here not only means comfort and luxury, but also having access to the best local gastronomy. If you enjoyed this tour, or if you're interested in this property, visit the link in the description below or contact us at the number provided to schedule your viewing. Don't let this opportunity pass you by.